Good morning, everyone. This is Anisha here, back to meet all of you guys with an important update of your Snap official dates are out right now. I hope you guys had checked out and came on my live, which we did day before yesterday with respect to the Snap expected dates, paper pattern, colleges which you should be looking forward to. And also yesterday, in fact, yesterday was a lot of fun where we spoke about ZAT College. थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया था the YouTube live. I hope you guys also had fun. Anything you would want me to take up, or something more that you want cover up in these live sessions, drop in the comments and I shall do those for all of you guys. People who are coming for the first time, सुबह सुबह आज पहली बारी देख रहे हो my video. So guys, this is Anisha here. I did my MBA from NMIMS Mumbai. I was a NMAT 99 percentile, 222 at back then was like amazing scores. अब तो थोड़ा बढ़ गए हैं with adaptive scores. SNAP 99.29 percentile, and for CMAT, I was a 99.6 percentile. So I will be taking care of all of these non-CAT exam strategy sessions with all of you guys. So make sure you subscribe the button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure you do not miss any exam updates, any college notifications, and all these strategies to crack these exams. Let's pledge to make sure we get into one of the top colleges this year. All the people who are watching, all right? So let's make sure we do that. अब आते हैं important बात पे यार. हमने बात करी थी कि Snap का official dates are out, ठीक है? So all you have to do is go to the Snap website. Snap website नहीं छोड़ो, हम Symbiosis SIBM पुणे की website पे जाएंगे. That's the most important college which we have through Snap exam. So उनके website पे you will see this admission calendar. कुछ नहीं, programs में जाके MBA में जाना, आपके admissions calendar में you will see registration starts 31st of August. Registration closes 27th November. It's a very good date, one day before your CAT exam. So CAT के पहले last minute तक मत wait करना बेटा, पहले ही finish कर दो. Much better for all of you guys. Admit cards come on 4th of December, which is one day before IIFT exam. हर चीज किसी एग्जाम के ना एक दो दिन पहले ही होगी, ऐसे ही होते हैं सारे एग्जाम्स. आपका एग्जाम सीजन शुरू हो जाएगा नवंबर से, इनफैक्ट अक्टूबर से ही एनमैट अक्टूबर में शुरू हो जाता है, राइट? अब आपको क्या करना है, रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट आ गई है, चिल करना बंद कर दीजिए. ऑल द पीपल हु आर थिंकिंग फॉर्म आएगा, डेट आएगा, तब हम पढ़ाई शुरू करेंगे. वी आर एट 20th of August right now. Exactly 4 months है till the first SNAP test. People who have not attended the previous sessions of SNAP, बहुत ही amazing हो गया है. It's the easiest exam. 60 minutes, इतना छोटू सा प्यारा सा एग्जाम है. 60 minutes, 60 questions, and you are done. You're sorted. 3 attempts हैं. Snap test 1, 2, and 3. You can give any 2. Not all 3. You can give any 2. Best of the 2 will be considered. Good thing is you can select your dates, which 2 you want to give at the beginning when you are filling your registration form. All right. Along with this registration form, you will have to also select your colleges. So today I will be talking to you guys about SIBM Pune in detail. So please watch the video right till the end. उसकी सारी placements, profile, सब चीज देख लेंगे एक बारी आज ही, ठीक है? 3 dates कौन सी हैं? Let's see. Very important big change. December 19th Sunday, जो first है, the exam is not in the morning. It's 2 to 3 p.m. All the people who are used to sleeping at home, work from home और no college के चक्कर में आजकल हम दोपहर को सब सो जाते हैं lazy bone की तरह. तो get up. Make sure you are active at this time of the day. 2 to 3 p.m. में सारे mocks दे दो. Second वाला is 8th of January, Saturday. Last year उन्होंने Wednesday रखा था, so this time at least weekend है सारे dates, तो आपके लिए more comfortable हो जाएगा. 10 to 11 in the morning. Third attempt is 16th January, 10 to 11. Okay, you can choose whichever 2 dates you want. If I were you, I would pick up 1 December, 1 January, ताकि दोनों attempts के बीच में थोड़ा time तो होगा हमारे पास to improvise and to scale ourselves up. Right? Then, like I said, we have to apply to the colleges. SIBM Pune ka application closes 18th of December. The declaration of GEPI what is going to be 10th of February. GEPI process, it will be decision not announced as yet. Online hai ki offline hai, that will depend on the COVID situations. We will be ready and preparing ourselves for both of them. Will happen between 17th to 28th of February. Final merit list in March 10th. And आपका payment of fees 23rd March. Everything goes in track, everything goes on timeline. So NMIMS and SIBM Pune, SCM HRD, these are the first few colleges to finish your entire process. ठीक है, लोग मरते रहते हैं for other exams. बेचारे CET वाले तो अभी तक exam के date की ही wait कर रहे हैं. इधर इन लोगों का एक semester खत्म होने आया है, right? So this is one of the most amazing backup options which you should keep. IIMs and IIMs, but this SIBM Pune is better than, ये आपका SIBM Pune का ही campus है. If you check out more of the pictures and details of the campus, they have lots of clubs and committees which are there. You will have fun, you know, in all of these committees. You can read out more on their website. थोड़े से और details मिल जाएंगे आपको. This is just a few glimpses of the SIBM campus. I mean, people who are watching the video, if you all are from Symbiosis, I'm sure you guys would be able to relate to it. You must have some amazing memories on these steps, night next to, you know, this, यहाँ पे आपका बीच में quadrangle है, auditorium, and the football field is so amazing, guys. I mean, you know, you will be waking up to such lush green campus all throughout. It's, trust me, really amazing. I have been there for Sports Fest and it was amazing experience. So beautiful campus. Let's talk about the batch profile so that you can relate to yourself. कि यार मेरी profile के लिए मैं जा सकता हूँ कि नहीं जा सकता हूँ, right? So profile gender ratio अगर देखो तो 32% females, 68% males, which is a good diversity aspect. Academic background wise, we have 6% from others, 72% is science. That means maximum are engineers or BSc students. Rest are commerce, which is our BMS, BBA, BAF, CA वाले बच्चे सब. 6% जो है थोड़े से extra वाले जो होते हैं, जैसे कि not extra, but you can say hotel management, fashion management, all of these different college background graduation वाले people. Then work experience, very, very important. Take a screenshot of this and keep all the freshers on the house. This is very important for you. 42% of the batch is freshers. 0 to 12 months is freshers, which is like the biggest chunk. Okay. 31% is between 13 to 24 months. 23% is between 25 to 36 months, matlab up to 3 years of experience. 3 plus wale bahut hi kam hai, 4%, right? So parties on for all the freshers. ये जो freshers बेचारे struggle करते रहते हैं ना कि हमें मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत अच्छा options है, आराम से मिलेगा, right? In fact, why is it good? Best thing to do is check out the placements. So if you look at the placement stats, you can refer, it's on their official website in the placement report. Highest was 30.38 lakhs in pandemic. This is a very good number. Mean was 19.56, median 18 lakhs. 66 students got a PPO. PPO is a pre-placement offer. मतलब internship अच्छी करो, फाड़ क्या अच्छे से, pre-placement offer first year में मिल जाएगा, second year life is chill. Have fun, right? Secondly, good thing is top 50 students of the batch. Your target in whichever college you go should always be, I want to be in the top 10%, right? So here to बहुत ही अच्छा number है, 50 top 50 students के लिए 27 lakhs was their average package, right? Fees is somewhere around 19, so ROI perspective is also good. You can check out some of these amazing brands which come on board, top recruiters which you can aim for, like be it finance, marketing, IT, all of them. Like you have Google, you have Vodafone, HSBC, ICICI, Marico. I worked with Marico. Then you have such amazing companies which are there, like Pidilite, PwC, Dabur, and so many of them, you name it, and they're all coming on campus, right? So we can have some amazing campus placements. We have really good opportunities, very nice placements. All you have to do is pick up your socks, use the 4 months really well, get set, go with your preparation. If you've not yet started, check out the description, Snap Online Turbo course, get on board. Every Saturday, me and some of the other Snap toppers will be taking sessions for you guys to make you ready for this chotu sa, pyara sa, sweetest exam, which is 60 minutes and 60 questions wala hi, but there's negative marking. So we have to be very strategic, right? So we will do that. After you do that, all you have to do is follow our guidelines to convert. I did my MBA from NMIMS, but I converted SIBM Pune, SCM HRD, both of them. Why I chose NMIMS, we'll have a separate discussion later on. पहले score लेके आओ, convert करो, फिर हम decide करेंगे, and we'll have one-on-one conversations on that. In fact, last year, we had 75 students who made it to SIBM Pune. 75, that's a huge number, right? अब हमने बात की थी सिर्फ SIBM Pune के results की. SCM HRD, SIMC, बहुत सारे symbiosis हैं, so let's make sure we keep that as a target list. Crack your snap scores, get a good number, get a good number, I mean is a good percentile score, so that life becomes easy, because in symbiosis, your weightage of past acads is very less. Your work experience weightage is also very less. It's maximum focused on your snap scores and then your performance in your interviews, right? So it's a good chance to have a good profile plus a good score. Your life is sorted. Pool job, purane papa and graduations, right? So let's get started. If your basics are strong, you don't need much more things like with respect to how to start your preparation and all of the completing the concepts, then check out the snap mocks. really nice mocks made by all Snap toppers, which is based on Snap 22's paper pattern itself only. You'll get 10 mocks to train yourself for this time management strategy, plus sectional test as per the same time limit. All right. Stay tuned for many more updates and don't miss out on subscribing to the channel. Bye-bye. Take care.